big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. And we be
back at it. Back with another video. Pray you guys doing well. I just want to give you an update on the place. All cleaned up for now. So check it out. No, I actually took the TV from the wall area because of all that. Because I know they got to go back in and redo that. So I just pushed everything away from that area. Pushed everything away from that window as well too. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and still add a picture or two, like right in here, and maybe something right there. But I got TV right here, so over here tucked and out the way. Yeah, I still got my box. When I move, I'm gonna be able to, transport it without it breaking or anything. So just want to give you guys like a small update with that little place, See, keep it crispy. I set my little neons back on, but yeah, a little update. So y'all clean over here. But what I wanted to show you is I'm gonna make something quick, something that I had in the freezer. So I got some shrimp. I got some rice, some ginger, butter, garlic, and some salt and pepper, and also some broccoli. So make us a nice little bowl. Broccoli and shrimp bowl, and I wanted to let you guys see that. Look, this is like some of the things I would normally do just off a whim, you know what I'm saying, and I wouldn't record. So I figured I'd just start bringing this to you guys. You may like it. So basically what I did is it's raining like crazy outside, and I did not want to go outside. So I'm gonna use this butter. I have some rice in here, just some ingredients to make it like a quick bowl, a dinner bowl. So get into this thing with this buttermilk, and not gonna really need much at all. So a little salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, and this shrimp and broccoli. It's gonna be a decent bowl, without the rice. It'll be an even better bowl because rice is not so bad. You're gonna need some real carbs at some point. So let's go ahead and take broccoli, get it all up in there. Actually, I'm gonna make enough for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna put all the broccoli in there. I got this broccoli bag from Sam's. Okay, but it is frozen broccoli, as you see. Move it around, just move it around. Give it time to cook. The rice is already cooked. The shrimp is already cooked as well. So basically, just let the broccoli cook a little bit. Let it saute it. Hello, I can't talk. Saute it, step in this butter. There we go. Yes, there. All right, while the broccoli's cooking, let's add a little salt. I got a little kosher salt here. There we go. Kosher salt over it. Add a little garlic. A little dash too, because if I was to measure this, that's a lot, but that's probably about a tablespoon, teaspoon. Minced onion. I'm gonna get that all up in there. I didn't have any fresh onions, so I'm just using what I had in the refrigerator. Of course, I've been gone because of our apartment was in a mess, but they made it all right. And I thank them for it, and I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. There we go. So these guys are just about right. So I'm gonna add a little bit more butter than I add my rice. So we're gonna add the butter. Right, so broccoli does not take long to cook. So because of how firm you want it, I want mine a little bit firmer than normal. And push it all to the side here. It's just about ready. It's all seasoned pretty well. Turn the heat up a little bit. And then we're gonna come here, let the butter go ahead and melt a bit. All right, just about there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. More of a stir fry instead of fried. We'll get that started. Broccoli and shrimp bowl. This is parboiled rice. I like parboiled rice because it keeps its shape when you do extreme things like this to it, refrying it and all that good stuff. So, let that get all nice and warm. So a little garlic, a little ginger in it. Ginger. And some a little salt for the rice, just a little bit. Some pepper for the rice. Let that go. And then some more onions in it as well for flavor. I like onion. There we go. So this is something I would normally do and not capture it on camera. So I said I'll just go ahead and just capture everything on camera. I went live earlier today, and we'll be going live a lot more often. Thank you, Queen, for that encouragement. I really appreciate it and that advice. All right, let's let this guy up. Okay. At this point, you can add soy sauce if you want to. Depends on what direction you want to go with your meal. Depends on how it tastes. I may go with it, I may not. Let's go ahead and add this shrimp. Throw the shrimp in there. Add it. The shrimp is already cooked. Literally, this is going to be a really quick meal. So I'm just using leftovers from what I had in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to go that quick. All right. Yes, sir. Flip. There we go. There we go. So that shrimp gets to be where it's a good temperature, where it's warm all over. It's really good to go. At this point, I can add more butter if I want to. But I do not want to add more butter. I'm gonna come down off the heat and let it continue to cook a little bit more so I can taste it. Then from this point forward, you just, you taste it for flavor. Good, actually. Look at that. Right there. You don't have to have a wok. It's a nice flat pan. Hey guys, I just tasted it. It tastes really good. Nice garlic flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit more ginger. I just added a little bit more butter for the rice. Other than that, this guy is done. A little bit more ginger for another extra layer of flavor. Make sure you get it stirred in there real well too. Normally I use like my little wood stick, but this is how quick this meal is. You know what I'm saying? So this is how fast it is, and it's done. It's done. Yeah. Nice and done. Let's go ahead and bowl it out, guys. As I search for a bowl, let's go ahead and just throw a couple of pieces of Texas toast, garlic toast in here, in the air fryer, and then boom, we're done. Throw those in there. That quick. I usually throw them on 390, and let them go for a few minutes. There we go. Boom. All right, guys. I also want to add that this is the first meal I've had today. It is. What time it is? It's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock p.m. So my last meal was maybe last night around 5:30. No, it was before this. My last meal was last night around 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So I'm breaking my fast with this particular bowl. And it's going to fill me up. I'm not going to want anything. Now, what I've been doing all day is drinking some water. I could have drank a little bit more water, but I've been drinking coffee. I had about 3 cups of coffee. And I was starting at about 7:30 this morning. And I had a bottle of water with that. I got a second cup around 9, so I could talk to my daughter. And then probably made another half a cup shortly after 10:30, almost 11. So just want to give you that backstory for this full day. So these are things I normally wouldn't just capture on camera, but different thing, different world. So I think you guys are demanding it and want to see. some results, especially the direction I'm going with the channel. This kind of what assisted me in losing that 21 pounds over the last 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. It hadn't been long at all. So I'm going to get this together, bowl it up, and give you guys a complete taste of it and see where we are with it. So you guys stay tuned. All right, let's get this guy all bowled up. There you go. There you go. The shrimp, the broccoli, that rice. See? And special. I mean, just mix it all together and we stir fried it. Of course, you can add eggs or whatever else you want to add to make some extra fried rice. Asian fried rice, that is. So this is all I needed. Get some veggies on it. Try to get more veggies than rice. Probably eat this tomorrow as well. There we go. Got the tool about to do it, baby. There we go. Nice little stir-fried bowl of parboiled rice. I added ginger, garlic, minced garlic. I stir-fry the broccoli first. Minced onions, dehydrated minced onions at that, and butter. That's basically how we got to this. And I got some garlic bread in the air fryer, so it should be up momentarily. Hey guys, let's check it out, see what we got here. This is our broccoli and shrimp stir-fry bowl. Got that broccoli. It's still, so it's still a little firm, which I like. It's not all mushy. All the nutrients hasn't been boiled out of it. Let's try this. See how it tastes. Here we go. Nice flavor with that ginger and that garlic and that butter. It's a bit firm too, which I like. If you don't, I probably would maybe add it, maybe cook it first and add it last. But don't stir too much if you want it real soft. But I think it's fine like this. So you got your bread if you want it. It's the rice with it. Got a piece of shrimp on it. Let's taste it. It's actually hitting the spot. So it's the first meal I've had today. I think after this bowl, I think I'm good. So you add some water, you drink some water. Good. And for dessert, I'm gonna have me a couple of Aussie bites. My friend turned me on to this. As you see, has some really good benefits on it. You know, it's sweet, but still has some really good benefits. I got these from some Sam's, and they taste just like really oatmeal cookies. Let me open up one so you can actually see one. You see them? Yeah. So they really taste like oatmeal cookies. They're really good. It's a good benefit for you too. So again, OSC bites, people. All OSC bites. Try them out. I got about $8 on Sam's. So, all right, guys. There you have it. Those OSC bites are really good. Able to turn me on to those, and I'm glad I got those. So to me, it cursed my sweet tooth at the meal. So essentially, I've been on a fast for, I guess you could say right under 24 hours, right over 24 hours, because about my last meal was yesterday at 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock in the morning is 12. Anyway, since yesterday at 4. So I didn't do anything today differently as far as like I would do a normal day. I drink coffee every day. Today was just, I guess, the coffee curbed my appetite. So I was happy about that. So I had 2 or 3 cups of coffee, 2 or 3 bottles of water, carried over my daily activity. Wasn't really hungry. Even fixing this, I was hungry, but I wasn't like at a point where I had to run out and go get something. But I took some of the ingredients that was in my kitchen. I didn't eat out, which was good. This made any extra money. This is money I already spent on ingredients prior. Put them together within 15, 20 minutes, and boom, you got your home cooked meal. So there we go, guys. Probably make this meal a little bit more healthier. It's not used by olive oil or something like that. But in this case, I was cool. But I pray you guys are doing well. Thanks for rocking with your boy. Got more videos coming. I'm really happy in my new clean space. And God is good. So treat people right, but stand up for yourself. He just say go out and be a punk, be a pushover. But if you in a situation you feel like you slighted, give the person an opportunity to make it right. And if they don't make it right, then you make it right. But much love, you guys. I'll see you guys next video. God bless you. Peace.